Hello, are you? What I have to do? Gotta go. This one is it? Looks like it. Yep. This one. This one. Is it this one? But actually, this one. Oh, 1, 2, 3. That's all I gotta do. Okay. Into my sector. Here we go with some crap shit. AI, artificial intelligence, maybe something. Whoa, what happened? Dude, God. It'll go this one first. Okay, we're just gonna read it out.
Python, Mark, Homebreu, Python as
Oh,
externally
whoa,
managed.
whoa. Oh, no, you have to go in there, Hector. And you have to go in there, then go up here. And English, please. English here. Apply. Then this one.
Python, Mark Homebrew Python as externally managed. Homebrew.discussion number 3404.github. Skip to content. Pricing. Search code, repositories, users, issues, pull requests. Saved searches. Use saved searches to filter your results more quickly. Sign up. You signed in with another tab or window. Reload to refresh your session. You signed out in another tab or window. Reload to refresh your session. You switched accounts on another tab or window. Reload to refresh your session. Dismiss alert. Python, Mark Homebrew Python as externally managed number 3404. July 3rd, 2022. 35 comments. 130 replies. Original comment in English minus. Hi there. I'm one of the maintainers of PIP, and one of the co-authors of PEP 668. As a quick summary, that PEP is basically a design document describing a new feature's design for Python's packaging tooling. The feature is providing a mechanism, a marker file, to inform installers like PIP that it should not try to modify files installed in a certain location since those are externally managed, i.e., managed by a non-Python native package manager. Based on my very limited understanding of Homebrew as AI just need Git and a few more things user. It allows installing Python packages as dependencies of a package, and they're importable by default. Based on that, Homebrew should create the marker file in the appropriate location, as a part of the Python formula. So, to have a discussion about this and track it, I've filed this here. /cc at Woodruff W. /discuss .python.org/t/pep 668 marking Python base environments as externally managed /10302/39 u equals Pradian G. P.S. Not sure how Homebrew discussions work, but this seems like something that needs to be tracked and should move into issues. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. You must be logged in to vote. At Pradiansgo have now implemented this starting with Python 3.12 Homebrew/Homebrew core number 150,390. And Python 3.12 has become the default Python 3 in Homebrew, so more users will be made aware of the change. Minus. Hi at Pradian, G, thanks for dropping by. P.S. Not sure how Homebrew discussions work, but this seems like something that needs to be tracked and should move into issues. Potentially, but there may not be any need to do this yet. Depending on how much work this transition requires exactly. If it's just a simple change, then we might not need a tracking issue at all. I'm not much of a Python user, but I scanned PEP 668 to see what the required changes might be. These values seem to be of particular interest. /user/local/opt/python at 3.10/bin/python3c import sysconfig princes.prefix princes.baseprefix princesconfig.get path stdlib sysconfig.get default scheme/user/ local/op/python at 3.10 framework/python.framework/version/3.10 /user/local/op/python at 3.10 framework/python.framework/version/3.10 user/local/op/python at 3.10 framework/python.framework/version/3.10 lib/python 3.10. Does that mean a /user/local/op/python at 3.10 /bin/python 3m pip install foo currently installs Funto /user/local/op/python at 3.10 framework/python.framework/version/3.10 lib/python 3.10. If so, that's setting users up for a bad time. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. You must be logged in to vote. 2 replies. Actor deleted this content. Minus. No minus homebrew/homebrew core number 76621 has the details on the solution that Homebrew used to use for dealing with this issue for now. Now, there's a patch to sysconfig plus distutils to make this work correctly. Yek. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Minus. /op/homebrew/seller/python at 3.10/3.10.2/bin/python 3m pip install sample project minus no deps error could not find an activated virtualenv required. Pip require vev equals 0/op/homebrew/seller/python at 3.10/3.10.2/bin/python 3m pip install sample project minus no dips selecting sample project. Downloading sample project 2.0.0 p3 none any.whl 4.2 kb installing collected packages. Sample project successfully installed. Sample project 2.0.0. Warning, you are using pip version 22.0.2. However, version 22.1.2 is available. You should consider upgrading via the /op/homebrew/op/python at 3.10/bin/python 3.10 and pip install minus upgrade pip command. Pip require vev equals 0/op/homebrew/seller/python at 3.10/3.10.2/bin/python 3m pip uninstall sample project. Found existing installation. Sample project 2.0.0 uninstalling sample project 2.0.0 would remove /op/homebrew/bin/sample /op/homebrew/lib/python 3.10/site packages /sample **op/homebrew/lib/python 3.10/site packages /sample project 2.0.0 distinfo /op/homebrew/ my data/data file proceed y/n y successfully uninstalled sample project 2.0.0. Notice the paths used. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Actor deleted this content. Minus. FWIW. Implementing this would basically involve adding a /op/homebrew/op/python at 3.10/ framework/python.framework/version/3.10/ lib/python 3.10/ externally managed file. https://peps.python.org/pep668/ number marking an interpreter as using an external package manager. Once support for this pep is implemented in pip plus that version of pip is included in Homebrew's Python, it would be feasible to remove the distutils/sysconfig patches since pip won't be trying to install into this externally managed environment. The only way a user would then be able to modify the environment would be by downgrading pip via some mechanism pip wouldn't let them touch the pip installed by Homebrew. The main difference that user-facing behavior change that this will cause is that users won't be able to install packages using pip into their Homebrew installed Python, instead needing to create a Python virtual environment to install packages using pip. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. You must be logged in to vote. 3 replies. Minus. Thanks for the clarification. Given that nothing's happened on this so far, we should probably track this in a new issue at Homebrew Core. Lest this get buried in this discussions page. Would you like to open the issue? Otherwise, I can do that and quote what you've said here. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Minus. At ColorCap, this would be great to open. I've been writing an issue in me on where to install on Homebrew for a while and no progress on resolving anytime soon. I think this could help. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Minus. This appears to have been recently implemented. And now GitHub Actions installs of brew install Python are broken and do not work. Time to pass minus break system packages in yet more places. And include a comment clarifying that it is not broken, just badly named. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. You must be logged in to vote. 15 replies. Minus. I'm referring to minor versions, not patch versions. If you install Python at 3.10, it will not be upgraded to Python at 3.12. If you install Python, that is simply an alias for whatever we have set as the default. 3.12 was promoted to default a few weeks ago, thus kicking off all this discussion. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Minus. Okay, so why is this out of scope for Homebrew to the point where you're suggesting people should use PyNV to avoid getting upgraded? Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Minus. Because the vast majority of users run brew install Python, or brew install Python 3. That will auto-upgrade, since it's just picking whatever our current default is. Users can stick to a support minor release by installing it manually. Brew install Python at 3.10, but as it moves through the deprecation cycle, that will introduce its own problems, obviously. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Minus. And the solution for this is that such users should use PyNV instead of brew install Python at 3.10, because. Why? Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Minus. Homebrew distributes versioned Pythons a Python at 3.10 in part because we have formulae that depend on them. Users should use PyNV if this does not align with their support requirements for a Python distribution. More precisely, if any of the following are true. You need a specific patch version of Python. Your application stack assumes that Python or Python 3 do not change versions under the hood. Your application stack isn't compatible with the Debian/Homebrew concept of a system Python distribution, that is, can't use a virtual environment in the presence of PEP 668 enforcement. Then you're probably better served by a PyNV built Python than the homebrewed one. The homebrewed one may work, but this is not guaranteed. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Minus. At Pradiansville have now implemented this, starting with Python 3.12 homebrew/homebrew core number 150,390. And Python 3.12 has become the default Python 3 in Homebrew, so more users will be made aware of the change. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. You must be logged in to vote. 3 replies. Actor deleted this content. Minus. I just installed GNUP via Homebrew and systems Python 3 has been broken. It is very sad Ansible doesn't work. Is it possible to restore system Python 3 as default without uninstalling Homebrew's Python 3? Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Minus. Looks like problem is different. Now I have two Pythons in Homebrew and Ansible tries to use old but can't. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Minus. Or, pip3 reinstall, Ansible helped. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Minus. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. You must be logged in to vote. 0 replies. Minus. BTW for reference, I am packaging a complex Python project with large C++ dependencies https://github.com/lip6/Coriolis. So your concerns are valid to me. We're currently forced into a fork of Meson to support our macOS community. On WED, 21st February 2024 at 23:20, Robert Taylor ***** at ***** wrote, Eli, I suggest worked through concrete use cases would help your communication here. And check your emotions. Personally, I just want to actually work with Homebrew, and that doesn't seem a lot to ask. All conversations have ended with you ranting about things I don't understand, and no progress being made. If your aim is to support your users, maybe start calmly from that perspective. Minus again worked concrete use cases that the approach agreed on by the Python community fails in would be a helpful way forward for you. On WED, 21st February 2024 at 22:16. Eli Schwartz **** at **** wrote, previously fixed for Debian in **** at Meson build /me on at 5C 479D7. Pending Homebrew fix in **** at Meson build /me on at A35D 4D3. Reply to this email directly. View it on GitHub number 3404. Reply in thread. Or unsubscribe https://github.com/notifications/unsubscribe auth/ AB 404 GB 5A7 HZ2KLJR4 WDIAS W5 PAVCNFSON 52 KIM 52 U5 DOGES WCZC7 NN6 token SED WG5L TUNO 63 SDN5 WW2 ZL OAK 5 TQNGU 2D SME. You are receiving this because you commented. Message ID **** at **** Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. You must be logged in to vote. 0 replies. Minus. Thank you at Rob Taylor. I personally appreciate your level-headed response. Nobody who wants to break users. Adopting PEP 668 is, from my perspective, an important stepping stone towards reducing the number of error states that users of the homebrewed Python frequently end up in. As the PEP and its original discussion thread note, it's necessarily a trade-off between various stakeholders in the huge Python community. It's unfortunately impossible to simultaneously make changes and preserve every Python package deployment patterns. In terms of improving things here, I think there are two pieces we need. We need to know what specifically about Meson's current use of the homebrewed Python conflicts with the PEP 668 change. Most Python developers and homebrew maintainers/members aren't experts on Meson, so giving us a concrete example of breakage that we can reproduce and work through would be a huge help. We need to determine whether this can be fixed while retaining PEP 668, whether it requires some kind of acceptable upstream workaround, or whether it can be fixed in user-facing documentation. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. You must be logged in to vote. 9 replies. Minus. I'm not sure what you're asking for. The use case like mine is mixing software from multiple sources together to reproduce the issue. Simplepip install $anything. But in particular, anything that isn't packaged by Brew already. Recently, quite a few homebrew Python packages have been removed, as well. Of course, not big stuff such as NumPy/Sippy, but that then begs the question of how to use those packages. The first stumbling block encountered was by following the instructions of ttteeps://docs.brew.sh/homebrew and Python number, setup tools pip etc, which appear to not have been updated. Again, keep in mind this is all running inside $GitHub Actions environments, which means that the entire operating system is essentially one big virtual env and doesn't need nested ones. Loosening the restrictions on C platforms would be very helpful. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Minus. I'm not sure what you're asking for. I'm looking for a set of steps that I can run locally or in GHA to reproduce the problem. I use Go pretty extensively, including with the brute Python, for my Python projects and haven't had pip install issues. So it would be helpful to get a link to a workflow that's failed, or an example action YAML that I can try myself and experiment with. Again, keep in mind this is all running inside $GitHub Actions environments, which means that the entire operating system is essentially one big virtual env and doesn't need nested ones. Loosening the restrictions on C platforms would be very helpful. I agree that, conceptually, an ephemeral C runner is one big virtual environment. However, that's not the layer of abstraction that Homebrew operates at, and hacking around C environments in particular is likely to be too burdensome to attempt in Homebrew itself, as well as unsound in practice, since not every C system is ephemeral like Go. Consider self-hosted Go runners or Jenkins. And note, there are idiomatic software patterns in Python where a single environment is not sufficient. For example, software deployments where individual Python subcomponents have conflicting dependency requirements. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. This comment was marked as disruptive content. Minus. At Emlindner, with all respect, you aren't positioned to dictate the project's job. Homebrew is used by millions of people, including people with huge ranges in technical abilities, and the ability to break things that they can't personally unbreak. Homebrew's adoption of PEP 668 is consistent with the project's historic approach of eliminating errors from the +2 SDKs, leaving power users to do things off of the beaten path. That's how we approached bottles, it's how we approached build flags, and so forth. Your user hostile is makes our tool more misuse resistant for 98+% of our user base. Going forwards, I'm not going to respond to this thread unless it gets updated with debugging steps. The offer still stands to help figure out how we can improve the behavior here, but that cannot happen until I have a better understanding of what's actually broken and whether it's something we actually want to support versus being intentionally discouraged per PEP 668. Vito, is this translation helpful? Give feedback. Minus. At Emlyn, to help users install things in the most sustainable way we can with our limited time as volunteer maintainers. If you aren't familiar with a 2 Bahamian dollar clause license, you may be interested in this part at the bottom. This software is provided by the copyright holders and contributors as is. And any express or implied warranties, including, but not limited to, the implied warranties of merchantability and fitness for a particular purpose are disclaimed. In no event shall the copyright holder or contributors be liable for any direct, indirect, incidental, special, exemplary, or consequential damages, including, but not limited to, procurement of substitute goods or services, loss of use, data, or profits, or business interruption, however caused, and on any theory of liability, whether in contract, strict liability, or tort, including negligence or otherwise, arising in any way out of the use of this software, even if advised of the possibility of such damage. We owe you nothing. We are not user hostile. We spend our free time supporting this project. We decline to spend said limited volunteer time on things we do not think make sense for the majority of users. Your opinion is appreciated, but needs to be presented in a respectful way. Was this translation helpful? Give feedback. Actor deleted this content. Minus. I ended up here post, a recent update of Homebrew, which installed Python 3.12.2, but missed 80-90% of the packages, which existed in the previous version. /user/local/lib/Python 3.11/site packages/ so almost no Python programs in need for some modules work, now the dreaded modular not found error, no module named. Attempting to fix this the old way Python, mpip install -upgrade, produces the new. Multiplied by this environment is externally managed. To install Python packages system-wide, try brew install. XYZ, where XYZ is the package you are trying to install. Any suggestions on how to fix missing site packages? Brew install does not find specific missing modules. Editors, I needed my Python stuff to still work, and ASAP, I ended up with the most rudimentary solution possible, copied the content of /user/local/lib/Python 3.11/site packages /into/user/local/lib/Python 3.12/site packages / I know this is an unsustainable method, but short of blowing up the Homebrew environment and moving to a per individual package maintenance with a total install of everything I need, one by one, I think this is all that can be done. I also understand and I remain very thankful for the extraordinary effort the Homebrew community has put into this project, which made macOS so much more usable in the past. Was this translation helpful? Give feedback. You must be logged in to vote. 5 replies. Minus. We do give some recommendations on how to fix do it. If you wish to install a non-brew packaged Python package, create a virtual environment using Python 3 path/2/mv. Then use path/2/mv/bin/python and path/2/mv/bin/pip. If you wish to install a non-brew packaged Python application, it may be easiest to use pipx install XYZ, which will manage a virtual environment for you. Make sure you have pipx installed. The idea is that you should not use the global site package provided by our Python, but use virtualenv vs instead. Was this translation helpful? Give feedback. This comment was marked as disruptive content. Minus. You can still do whatever you want. You're just hindered in your ability to do things the Python project thinks you should not do. Was this translation helpful? Give feedback. This comment was marked as disruptive content. Minus. PEP 668 is a standards track PEP, which means that by definition, it is normative. You can refer to PEP1 for the distinction between standards, process, and informational PEPs. Concretely, informational PEPs are the least normative of the PEP categories, which PEP 668 is not. Distributions can choose to ignore standards track PEPs if they want when it comes to packaging standards, but we don't want to. Ubuntu do the standard thing, and our reasons have previously been extensively explained. Language lawyering over what we have to do does not enter into it. Was this translation helpful? Give feedback. This comment was marked as disruptive content. Minus. There are plenty of other viable package managers if you don't like how we handle our project. Feel free to check out our friends at MacPortSonix. But I'd caution you that you probably won't be able to throw a fit and bully them into doing what you want either. That's not how large, sustainable open source projects work. Incidentally, I just checked MacPorts and it appears their port file doesn't claim to be externally managed. Nix is an interesting topic. The only reason to use Nix is if you want all software on your system to exist in separate sysroots. It's not Python specific, but depending on when you built a Python package in Nix, you'll have multiple different copies of Python 3.12.2 so that your Python packages can depend on the recursive checksum hash of Python's build recipe, including micro version, list of patches applied, and micro version of all dependencies recursively. Upgrade slib with a trivial backport of a sieve. Rebuild Python against it and get 2 Python copies. Since Python has been rebuilt, rebuild all your applications against the new Python. They're byte-identical copies of Python, other than the rpath entry pointing to the checksum hash directory containing the slib library. Newest GitHub questions Stack Overflow. Questions tagged GitHub. GitHub is a web-based hosting service for software development projects that use Git for version control. Use this tag for questions specific to problems with repositories hosted on GitHub, features specific to GitHub, and using GitHub for collaborating with other users. Do not use this tag for Git-related issues simply because a repository happens to be hosted on GitHub. -2 votes. 0 answers. 24 views. Undo last pushed commit with git comment, not working duplicate. I pushed a wrong commit that I wanted to undo. I did git pull to pull the pushed wronged commit. Made code changes to undo wrong commit. Then I did following, $git pull already up to date. $git. Asked 1 hour ago. 1 vote. 0 answers. 10 views. Because runners failed due to missing dependencies in cached VV on GitHub Actions. I'm encountering a peculiar issue with GitHub Actions in a large project where the success of Macause runner jobs seems to hinge on the order in which they're executed. Specifically, jobs that depend on. Asked 2 hours ago. 0 votes. 0 answers. 6 views. GitHub repository set chmod 600 for 1 file. Hi, I'm new to GitHub and for more than 24 hours I can't find a solution to my problem. I have a website which I have uploaded to GitHub and using Netlify as a web host. However, the problem is that I asked 3 hours ago. -1 votes. 0 answers. 5 views. Cache global NPM packages in GitHub Actions using Cache Marketplace Action. How to cache NPM global packages using Cache Marketplace Action in GitHub Actions. I have tried to cache like this uses action/setup node.v2 with node version 16 name get npm cache. Asked 3 hours ago. 0 votes. 0 answers. 13 views. Plotly express graphs are not showing on GitHub repo Jupyter Notebook. I've created IPIN project notebook on my machine, and it was working normally. After uploading it to GitHub, Plotly graphs are not showing there anymore. And solution on how to show them up. https:// Asked 3 hours ago. 0 votes. 1 answer. 11 views. Git clone issue, error, RPC failed, curl 16 error in the HTTP2 framing layup/s. I am getting this issue frequently while cloning any project locally, error, RPC failed, curl 16 error in the HTTP2 framing layup/s fatal, the remote end hung up unexpectedly fatal, early OF fatal. Asked 4 hours ago. 0 votes. 0 answers. 4 views. Manage generated folders by build runner while C/CD automation. I am trying to build release APK with GitHub C/CD automation. I have used JSON serializable and Intel packages in my project. And build runner is generated folders in project, which we doesn't. Asked 6 hours ago. 0 votes. 0 answers. 11 views. Todo comment violation not reported in GitHub Codec code scanning. I am new to GitHub Advanced Security. I have created GitHub repo and enabled Codec scanning. And used queries, security extended, security and quality in codec.ul file. Still if I add a comment in. Asked 7 hours ago. 0 votes. 0 answers. 9 views. Problem with subtrees and signed commits in GitHub. We are working with GitHub as repository and all the commits must to be signed. All team members have configured Git to sign the commits with their own key. Everything is working fine, but the asked 9 hours ago. 0 votes. 1 answer. 14 views. How to get diff time in GitHub Actions job steps. I would like to find the difference between the time of today's date and the time of the date on which PR was generated within the GitHub Actions job steps. What should I do? Jobs, PR comment. Asked 9 hours ago. 0 votes. 1 answer. 14 views. New notebooks added to Databricks Git folder, not showing as changes and not able to commit and push. I have created a Git folder in my Databricks user folder and cloned my project repository from GitHub. Then created a new feature branch and added a new notebook. When I try to commit and push the new asked 9 hours ago. 0 votes. 0 answers. 6 views. Need GHTorrent tutorial or references. Where can I get the exact tutorial of using GHTorrent? All I got is only paper that shown the outcomes of GHTorrent. I already checked the https://ghtorrent.org, but I can't access it. It's because my asked 11 hours ago. 0 votes. 0 answers. 7 views. Does GitHub's GraphQL API support filtering files/trees by basic things like name? I'm using GitHub's GraphQL API to retrieve the directories and files within a repository, but I only need some specific subsets. The repository I'm working with has a structure like --hash root --. Asked 16 hours ago. 0 votes. 1 answer. 26 views. Removing Git from a project in VS Code duplicate. I'm working on a web project in VS Code and I tried using GitHub for versioning. I originally used the source control extension on the left side. But since I tried using it so late into my asked 17 hours ago. -1 votes. 0 answers. 10 views. Adding Firebase to Unity project in Docker instance triggered by GitHub Actions. I have an Android Unity project and have integrated Firebase to manage my users' data. I am using GitHub as source control, and using GitHub Actions to run checks on PRS to make sure the code passes. Asked 19 hours ago.
Whoa.
Postgres. Posts about Postgres. Talk. Postgres Yum Extensions 1 April 2024. Quick reminder that Ryan Gundusselfant Prize will be giving a talk at this week's extension, Ecosystem Mini Summit. An overview of the PostgreSQL Yum repository architecture, how new RPMS are added, and issues and challenges with distributing ARP and extensions. The community among apt repositories are the canonical distributors of PostgreSQL community builds on Linux platforms. With a long history of robust support for multiple OSes, OS versions, and PostgreSQL versions. Devrim will help us understand how the Yum repository works, the inclusion of extensions from the broader community, and the challenges for automatic binary packaging for all publicly available extensions. Join us. Note that, if you reserved a spot at a prior mini summit, sadly you will need to do so again for each subsequent summit or miss out on reminders from Eventbrite. Need other information or just want an invitation without using Eventbrite? Hit me up at David@thisdomain on Mastodon, or via the hash extension channel on the Postgres Slack. PGXNV2, Go or Rust 28 March 2024. Too long didn't read. I'd like Postgres community input on a decision. Should we build PGXNV2 services and tools in Go or Rust? Context for the question and some weighing of options constitutes the rest of this post, but to skip to the end, ballot box with ballot vote to your choice. Poll closes April 12th at the end of the day midnight, New York time. PGXNV2 project no underway requires developing or updating several services and tools, including a root registry for source distribution, a package registry for binary distribution, a command line client for developing, building, and distributing extension packages, an interactions service for notifications and stats aggregation, and more. Historically, the PGXN tools were written in PL, which was an ideal choice for me back in 2011, and quite familiar to many members of the core team, but also deeply foreign to most everyone else. Furthermore, its dynamic nature and need for dozens of dependencies in most apps makes installation and packaging a challenge, to say the least. Point 1. In the last 10 years I've become quite proficient in Go. I appreciate its near system level performance, memory safety, robust standard library, concurrency design, and short learning curve, especially for web services. But perhaps most eye-opening to me, as a longtime user of dynamic languages, is that, like C, Go compiles an application into a single static binary. Not only that, but Go provides cross-compilation natively. This makes distribution incredibly simple. Distribution digression. Compare, for example, the Dockerfile for Skitch, the database change management system I wrote and maintain in Perl. It's a lot. Sure, there are a ton of system dependencies, but what's invisible in this file is the weeks of work that went into module build Skitch, which performs a bunch of tricks to build the Skitch app as a single directory with all of its Perl dependencies. Don't get me wrong, the work was worth it for Skitch, and powers the Homebrew formula, as well. But even there, I've not been able to get Skitch into the Homebrew core because every single dependency requires a checksum. And I've not had the time or energy to figure out how to generate them. Contrast with this Dockerfile for a Go service compiled into a binary named Thinko. From cr.io/distrol/base Debian 12, latest number targtos and targetic https://docs.docker.com/build/guide/multi-platform/arggetosug target copy build/$tar. Argitos -$targetic/thinko/bin/user non-root entry point/thinko/bin/thinko. That's the whole thing. There are no dependencies at all, aside from a few included in the Strolls image. And where does that image come from? This is the relevant from the project makefile. .phony all number build all binary cell. Local Linux to Win Windows Freebs Linux Thinko Linux to Win Thinko Darwin Windows Thinko Windows Freebs D Thinko Freebs. Thinko Linux underbar. Build / Linux AMD 64 / Thinko build / Linux ARM 64 / Thinko Darwin build / Darwin AMD 64 / Thinko build / Darwin ARM 64 / Thinko Windows build / Windows AMD 64 / Thinko Boo. Build / Windows ARM 64 / Thinko FreeBSD build / FreeBSD AMD 64 / Thinko build / FreeBSD ARM 64 / Thinko number build.
Okay, I think I should just leave you all the links here. What I wanted to do was, there was something to do with Python, and there was a new Python because there was a virus, and it was from Microsoft, and some guy called Jason or something, and he was in big trouble, and they need to fix that for the dark web, because the thing went into the dark web or something, and the AI did not respond to whatever it is, and the patch and the editor did not root. So it was to do with your new file. You're going to open source file, and an open source file, certain website will have this open source file that you can root your computer, root like you root your phone, root this, and you can, then your computer will be unstable, and then under the stable with C++, -2, 3, then you will be able to get AI or anything into your computer, and it will be there, and this new program that you have created, it will be yours to create more into it, and it will adapt to more, and it will get you things from the dark web, and you could make money, you could make marketplace, you can do whatever you wanted to, you could see it in front of your eyes, that this new program is interacting with artificial intelligence, and is saying, artificial intelligence, the program is open now, and the person might have gone to sleep like I did, all right? And when he wake up, wow, look at this, he's interacting, he's doing all this crazy stuff. But on the side, it will say, your PayPal has now regained $150, and your other PayPal account has regained 2,500, whatever, all this money, all these gifts, and you have to be monitoring this all 24/7. You know what I mean? Otherwise, it might go ballistic and do stupid things, and might even. So it's just a program that just keeps jumping into different things and giving you money. It's a thing that that doesn't stop or anything. It just keeps going. Oh, the new AI chip, and the new AI phone, and the new this, and it's giving you all this information. You have to be there with different monitors and all this. And when someone comes inside, what are you doing here? They say, I'm doing this new program with the Python, with the AI plus C++, and it does all these things. When you open the program, to stop the program is easy. You have to copy, do this, do this, do that, and boop, boop, did it, and boop, you stop the program. But the program keeps going, and it does things for you, like puts money into your account, into PayPal. It helps you create your website. It doesn't really interact with the website or anything. You just gets it over here. Look at it, and then this is decode. It's decoding now, and it's doing it all for free for me. And but you have to be knowledgeable. You have to use your brain. You have to combine that into your brain to put the Python program mixed with the AI, artificial intelligence, plus the website you're creating, plus the how you want to make money and the new business. So better if I do this. AI develop, man. Whoa, what happened? In the face program money. Like this is just the beginning. This is nothing to others who, oh, we already know all this. And we know how to make a website. We know how to put things on this website. We know how to collaborate. We know how to, and we know how to make money out of this website. But you gotta be very careful and very, very good like this. You know what I mean? You're so funny, people. Okay, we on to this one.
Earn $1,000 daily in 24 hours with a revolutionary AI app. Table of Contents. Introduction. The power of AI apps. 3 AI apps to make money online. 3.1 Django. 3.2 App 2. 3.3 App 3. How to earn money with AI apps. 4.1 Task completion and payment. 4.2 Requirements and sign up process. 4.3 Tips and tricks for maximizing earnings. The future of AI and money making opportunities. Pros and cons of using AI apps. Conclusion. The power of AI apps. In today's world, making money online has become more accessible than ever before. Thanks to the advancement of artificial intelligence AI technology, various AI apps have been developed by established companies that not only help users make money, but also pay them real money for simply using these apps. Imagine earning over $1,000 within 24 hours by leveraging the power of AI. In this article, we will explore 3 AI apps that can help you earn money without requiring any special expertise or financial investments. Additionally, we will provide insights on how to maximize your earnings, discuss the future of AI and money-making opportunities, and highlight the pros and cons of using AI apps. So, let's dive in and discover the incredible potential that AI apps offer for generating income online. 3 AI apps to make money online. 3.1 Django. One of the AI apps that allows you to make money online is Django. Django is not just an app, it's a translation service website where you can earn between $50 to $200 by leveraging their AI program. While language translation skills can be beneficial, you don't need to be an expert translator to make money on this platform. Instead, you can contribute as an AI contributor by assisting data scientists in developing technologies like self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and chatbots. Your role will primarily involve data annotation, where you will be tasked with making objects recognizable by machines through simple image and text annotation. You can easily earn money by drawing boxes and lines around certain objects or highlighting and labeling specific words. Django pays contributors twice a month through platforms like PayPal and Payoneer, making it a convenient choice for users worldwide. 3.2 App 2. Content for App 2 goes here. 3.3 App 3. Content for App 3 goes here. How to earn money with AI apps. 4.1 Task completion and payment. To start earning money with AI apps, all you need to do is complete simple tasks that are assigned to you within the app. These tasks can range from highlighting text to drawing boxes on images or even listening to audio. Each task comes with a specific payout, and once you complete a task, you will be paid the stated amount. The process is straightforward and can be completed within minutes, allowing you to accumulate earnings quickly. If you can make $10 every 10 minutes, you could potentially earn $60 per hour, or $1,070 within 17 hours of work with these apps. The ease and flexibility of these tasks make it an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to make money online. 4.2 Requirements and Sign-up Process. Most AA apps are free to download and support both Android and iOS devices, ensuring accessibility for users worldwide. Additionally, payment methods like PayPal and Payoneer are widely accepted, eliminating any barriers related to payment processing. Whether you're a freelancer, a student, or someone looking to supplement your income, these apps provide an inclusive platform for everyone to get started. The sign-up process is usually straightforward, requiring you to create an account and provide basic personal information. Some apps may have additional requirements, but they are typically minimal and do not demand expert skills or financial investments. 4.3 Tips and Tricks for Maximizing Earnings. While the tasks assigned through AA apps are simple, there are a few tips and tricks that can help you maximize your earnings. Firstly, aim to complete tasks efficiently by staying focused and avoiding distractions. The more tasks you can complete within a given time frame, the more money you can earn. Secondly, explore the app thoroughly and understand its features and functionalities. Some apps may offer bonus opportunities or referral programs that can boost your earnings. Lastly, continuously upgrade your skills and stay updated with new offerings in the AA app market. This way, you can stay ahead of the competition and take advantage of emerging money-making opportunities. The future of AA and money-making opportunities. As AA technology continues to advance, the potential for money-making opportunities will only increase. AI is rapidly becoming an integral part of various industries and sectors, revolutionizing the way we work and earn. By leveraging AA apps, you can not only generate income, but also contribute to the development and improvement of AI systems. Whether it's through data annotation or assisting data scientists in other ways, your involvement in AI-based tasks can have a direct impact on enhancing AI technologies. So, embrace the power of AI, jump on the AI money train, and secure your spot in the future of online earnings. Pros and cons of using AI apps. Using AI apps for generating income online comes with its own set of pros and cons. Let's explore them briefly. Pros. Accessibility. AI apps are accessible to anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection. Flexibility. Tasks can be completed at your convenience, allowing for flexible working hours. Quick payments. AI apps typically offer fast and reliable payment methods, ensuring you receive your earnings in a timely manner. Skill enhancement. Engaging with AI tasks can improve your skills in areas such as image recognition, data annotation, and more. Global opportunities. Many AI apps accept users from around the world, creating equal opportunities for individuals irrespective of their location. Cons. Task availability. The availability of tasks may vary, and there can be periods where fewer tasks are available, affecting your earnings potential. Competition. As more individuals join AI apps, competition for tasks can increase, leading to a potential decrease in payout rates. Technical issues. Like any app or software, AI apps may encounter technical glitches or bugs, impacting the user experience. Task monotony. Some tasks may become repetitive over time, which can lead to monotony and reduced motivation. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI apps have revolutionized the way people earn money online. With their user-friendly interfaces, accessibility, and real money payouts. These apps offer a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to make extra income. By completing simple tasks and contributing to AI advancements, you can earn money while playing a role in shaping the future of AI technology. While AI apps come with their own set of pros and cons, their potential for income generation and skill enhancement makes them an appealing option in today's digital era. So, seize the opportunity, download an AI app, and start earning money with the power of AI today. Highlights: AI apps offer a unique opportunity to earn money online without any special expertise or financial investments. Django is an AI app that allows users to earn money by contributing to data annotation tasks related to AI development. Earnings from AI apps can reach over $1,000 within 24 hours, providing a quick and convenient income source. Completing simple tasks like highlighting text or drawing boxes can lead to hourly earnings of $60 or more. Accessibility, flexible working hours, and global opportunities are some of the advantages of using AI apps for income generation. Competition, task availability, and technical issues are potential cons that users may encounter while using AI apps. FAQ. Q. Are AI apps free to download? Yes, most AI apps are free to download on both Android and iOS devices. Q. How do AI apps pay users? AI apps typically pay users through platforms like PayPal and Payoneer. Q. Do AI apps accept users from all over the world? Yes, many AI apps accept users from different countries, providing global opportunities for income generation. Q. Do I need expert skills to use AI apps? No. AI apps are designed to be user-friendly and do not require specialized skills. Simple tasks can be completed by anyone. Q. How can I maximize my earnings with AI apps? By staying focused, exploring app features, and upgrading skills. Users can maximize their earnings potential with AI apps.
So there's two payment. Oh, you can copy. You can copy it right now. PayPal and what are they? What are they? Do they just come up whenever, whatever? Uh, okay. What are you going to do with the AI then? If the payment go in there, will the government or the police or anyone? So you have corrupted the system for those people who are interested on developing money or anything like that. You can just get a developer or an intelligent person who does coding and all this stuff. Says will go into it and uh, manipulate the people or manipulate the company, manipulate anything they want. And this smart person, look, I'm doing this, you will get this, you will do this, you will be in the market, you will be over here, you'll be over there. And next minute, you know, your company will be more secure. And by having me here, seeing if anything goes wrong, because I'm trying to make sure there's no cyber attack and any other ways that you know that I'm here for you. And they say, who are you? I'm from Syria. I'm from Iraq. I'm from Colombia. I'm from Germany. So you're paying all these develop blokes or ladies who are going to uh, use your credential or your AI and do things that your company. Oh, look, my voice is reflecting from the phone to my voice. I can feel it. But anyway, I can see that this is important for some companies to have a person and developing all these new item and saying, you do this the way I say it, and the development, yep, give me the instructions, I'll have a look, and the development will say, yep, I can do two or three things better than that. And they said, yep, do it, no worries. Make sure our company doesn't get interrupted by the government or the police or anyone that's gonna get us in trouble. So go for it. what a what a bloody some decoder person does it anyway for your company or your website that you created or the way you get the money.
9 innovative use cases of AI in finance plus pros and cons. Use cases for AI in the finance industry. Now let's dive into some of the most innovative applications for AI in financial services. Personalized banking experience. Delivering a context-based customer experience is no longer a nice-to-have option. It's a must-have that all institutions need to deliver in the increasingly competitive world of banking and finance. The introduction of chatbots and virtual assistants, byproducts of the AI revolution in the finance industry, has minimized wait times and sped up customer service. Customers can easily check their account balance, plan monthly payments, or review their bank account activity. But the applications of AI in banking go well beyond cutting down on the amount of manual work. Artificial intelligence has become part and parcel of the authentication process. Customers can now effortlessly log into their banking apps by simply looking at their phones. All this is thanks to advances in machine learning and the development of cutting-edge neural engineers that run on mobile phone chips. Moreover, AI can now analyze user activities and data collected by other non-banking apps and offer customized financial advice. In fact, such banks as DBS or Royal Bank of Canada (RBC) have already embraced such AI-based tools. RBC has developed a platform called Nomi that helps the bank's customers automate savings and effectively manage their monthly budgets. The platform has 1,500,000 active users, 53% of whom consider it a game changer for their finances. One of Nomi's flagship features is called Find and Save. The bank estimates it has helped its customers save about $1,900,000,000 by rounding up expenses and automatically transferring small change to savings accounts. The feature is built on an ML algorithm that, for example, rounds up the price of a latte from 3.90 and deposits the extra 25 cents. The amounts saved are all based on a given customer's financial habits and ability. See how V7 can help you advance AI in your organization, the data engine for insurance and finance. Credit scoring. AI is used in finance to offer a solution that can potentially transform how we allocate credit and risk, resulting in fairer, more inclusive systems. According to Forbes, 70% of financial firms are using machine learning to predict cash flow events and adjust credit scores. But AI can't rely on real-time data for training due to the already introduced bias in the current system. Some recent studies show that predictive systems trained on real people's mortgage data skew automated decision-making in a way that disadvantages low-income and minority groups. The difference in the approval rate is not just due to bias, but also due to the fact that minority and low-income groups have less data in their credit histories. AI finds application in enabling better credit systems by developing a system where lenders can more correctly determine a borrower's risk with the aid of AI, regardless of the social demographic conditions. This can be accomplished by looking at real-time indicators that aren't considered in a typical credit score, such as whether the borrower spends their money on necessities or luxuries, their income level, employment opportunities, and potential to earn. AI may also assist lenders in identifying less visible risk characteristics, such as whether a borrower exploits their available credit. Leading fintech companies like JP Morgan have made it clear that the future of customer-centric financial services lies in crunching vast amounts of data drawn From varied sources, often non-traditional. JP Morgan has recently summarized critical research in machine learning, big data, and artificial intelligence, highlighting exciting trends that impact the financial community. Electric light bulb pro tip: check out an introductory guide to quality training data for machine learning to learn more. OO might eventually be able to completely replace current mathematical credit scoring systems that get a lot of flack for being outdated primarily because of their standardization and lack of sensitivity to individual disparities and nuances. Fraud detection and risk management. Thanks to their fraud detection capabilities, OO-based systems help consumers minimize the risk and save money from fraudulent activities. OO applications in the fintech industry range from recognizing abnormal transactions to identifying suspicious and potentially fraudulent activities by analyzing massive amounts of data. OO can quickly gain insights that help protect organizations against losses and increase ROI for their customers. Additionally, AI and cognitive ML models can decrease the likelihood of false positives or the rejection of otherwise legitimate transactions, such as a credit card payment that was mistakenly refused, thus increasing customer satisfaction. Machine learning and automation techniques get better and better at preventing cyber attacks of all kinds. OO models in the banking domain are trained to reject suspicious transactions or flag them for further investigation. They can also predict the likelihood of fraud, allowing human investigators to focus their efforts on only a few fabricated transactional instances that require human intervention. Machine learning is used in behavioral analytics to analyze and predict behavior at a granular level across all aspects of a transaction. JP Morgan Chase has it an excellent example of the applications AI has to offer. The bank previously employed a team of lawyers and loan officers who used to spend 360,000 hours each year tackling mundane tasks and reviewing compliance agreements. But by using an ML-powered program, the bank was able to process 12,000 agreements in just a few seconds. Industries that are extensively involved in e-commerce have transitioned from rule-based systems to machine learning-based models. OO-based fraud detection technologies can constantly adjust rules and even learn new ones as more and more data is processed. Unfortunately, these benefits of AI in finance and accounting do not come without risks. For example, when bank employees give biased advice based on OO recommendations, the entire institution may start systematizing bias into the decision-making process. Loan decisions. OO-first banks and investment firms use extensive automation and near real-time analysis of customer data to produce prompt loan decisions by analyzing loan risks using structured and unstructured data gathered from varied, established sources. OO in banking and finance has expanded to assess the creditworthiness of potential borrowers who do not have a credit history. Recent studies show that financial institutions will slowly pave their way to expand the availability of affordable credit to so-called credit invisibles or unscorables by using alternative data such as education, job function, property ownership, address stability, rent payment history, internet browser history, behavioral information. Leading lenders, like Ally, are also automating the process of approving the loan and predicting the maximum amount a customer may borrow, and the pricing of the loan using AI and ML models. Thanks to the development in natural language processing (NLP), AI systems swiftly determine a customer's disposable income and ability to make timely loan payments. For example, by using optical character recognition (OCR), AI can extract and process data from bank accounts, tax returns, or utility invoices. OCR can automatically recognize and extract data from scanned documents and images in a structured way, and helps in reducing processing times for each document. Process automation. Automating financial processes relies on artificial intelligence's ability to gain insights from existing data to optimize credit decisions, risk assessment, and auditing, among others. Process automation is an interesting option for businesses looking to hire or outsource their financial processes, as well as for professionals who wish to streamline internal processes. One of the techniques that comes in handy for automation is the already mentioned optical character recognition. OCR was created by MIT researchers to quickly and accurately read and match the handwritten portions of checks, and effectively changed the perception of using AI in the banking industry. Since then, OCR has made its way into enterprise resource planning (ERP) and customer relationship management (CRM), going far beyond check processing. Other technologies are also being tested. For example, voice-activated programs are used to save time searching for customer information in a database or through piles of documents. What's more, some banks and investment firms are reconnecting their technology with Alexa, allowing their customers to check their account balance, make payments, place orders, or ask customer service for help. Financial automation will undoubtedly affect the responsibilities of many staff members. So managers may have to re-engineer processes and redeploy resources to maximize productivity and output in more sophisticated and strategic areas. All the major public cloud providers, Google, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure, equip machine learning platforms with user-friendly developer tools and libraries to scale and speed up the operations. Algorithmic trading. All technical analysis is based on statistical data, market behavior, and past correlations. No wonder that artificial intelligence outperforms human intelligence in market pattern analysis, risk management, and general trading in the market with high volatility. According to JP Morgan, in 2020 over 60% of trades of over $10 M were executed using algorithms. AI AutoTrade is thriving, and it's developing entirely autonomous trading machines that combine technical analysis with AI self-learning algorithms whose task is to manage deposits for profit. Recent studies show that machine learning algorithms already close approximately 80% of all trading operations on US exchanges. Some of the benefits of algorithmic trading include increased precision and reduction of human error, better trading execution by eliminating delays when triggering payments, automatic and simultaneous examination of multiple market conditions. Top financial institutions like Goldman Sachs have been using AI not only for price prediction, but also for decision making and risk management. The company has an underlying AI model trained on historical market data that predicts the price and underlying risks using a time series forecasting model. Like recurrent neural networks, do patterns in your data change over time? Does sequential information come into play like in the case of forecasting stock prices? If so, check out our complete guide to recurrent neural networks. Financial Robo-Advisory. A robo-advisor is a personal financial management platform that has a background machine learning algorithm running unattended. The advisor trades on an investor's behalf and manages their account using survey responses, which human advisors usually run. The robo-advisor tends to make investments to maximize returns within an acceptable level of risk through diversification. The general information that the robo-advisor needs includes age, investment timeline, and risk tolerance. The investor only needs to take care of depositing the money each month, and everything else from picking the assets to analyzing market conditions to purchasing the assets is handled for them. Using robo-advisory is more cost-effective than using a traditional advisor, provides opportunities that traditional analysis may otherwise overlook, and eliminates time-consuming tasks, such as rebalancing and checking proper asset allocation. A recent article from Dealit introduces a UK-based robo-advisor, Wealthify, which is considered one of the fastest-growing robo-advisors in the market today. It's based on an in-house algorithm that recognizes and anticipates changes in market conditions and automatically proposes shifts in clients' investment accounts, and sends a push notification to the client. Enhanced security in transactions. Data security in the banking and finance sector is a critical issue, as it concerns sensitive customer data. With so much information publicly available and increased fraudulent activities, organizations are finding it increasingly challenging to keep their usernames, passwords, and security questions safe. In fact, there may be a drift from passwords, usernames, and security questions in the coming years in favor of more seamless and accurate fraud prevention techniques. Major fintech companies are slowly moving away from storing data in traditional database like SQL towards using blockchain that provides better encrypted platform for storing sensitive information. Machine learning applications in the finance sector are likely to take security to the next level through the use of voice and face recognition, as well as other biometric data. This would naturally increase customer retention and satisfaction by instilling trust through a secure and seamless authentication process. Some of the companies that have heavily invested in security machine learning and are working extensively towards this include Adyen, Payoneer, PayPal, and Stripe. On the more technical side, banking algorithms rely on NLP to monitor and analyze numerous emails and information from other sources that enter the banking systems. They look for patterns that suggest malicious behavior and scan for any leak of customer trusted information using supervised machine learning algorithms like SVM, random forest trees, etc. Data bias and quality. Artificial intelligence offers financial institutions a strategic opportunity provided they invest in data quality management. AI in finance and banking offers exciting possibilities for improving data quality as well as for mining more insightful information. AI and machine learning techniques can be used for identifying inconsistencies in the client data, for example, discrepancies between the provided addresses and countries, improving the quality of data, flagging any suspicious/erroneous client data, predicting missing values in transaction data. One of the major risks that come with the applications of AI in banking and finance is the presence of programmed bias in the machine learning algorithms used by fintech companies. Bias from the baseline data is only one of the ways it can creep into AI and fintech activities. For instance, a publicly available dataset on US FSBS highlighted in this paper indicates that close to 20% of the adult population receive insufficient credit services. An inference derived from this data reveals that women-owned enterprises receive a disproportionately low share of accessible credit, attract smaller loans, and attract harsher penalties for defaulting. Many open-source toolkits, such as IBM IFNS 360, Equitas, and Google What If assist fintech companies in measuring discrimination in AI models. They recommend mitigation pathways to eliminate bias from data pipeline and test the overall impact of the biased data on real-world scenarios. These AI-enabled toolkits look for outliers that demonstrate data bias and remove them from the data flow. It's also helpful to generate synthetic data by analyzing clustered data points to increase the efficiency of the models involved. To learn more about the importance of data quality, read our introductory guide to quality training data for machine learning.
Machine learning? The fuck are you on about? You're mad. Um,
Visual ChatGPT multimodal capabilities and use cases for 2024. Explore the image analysis features of GPT-4V for business use cases. This article will help you understand its potential and limitations and prepare for the future of multimodal AI. 19. Min Read. January 17, 2024. The AI hype, at least with regards to the appetite of the general public, seems to have peaked in mid-2023. Now, using large language models in your everyday work has become the new norm. Meanwhile, multimodal features have subtly entered the scene. In fact, GPT models which can understand user-uploaded images have been around for several months, charting new territory in machine learning. So, what happens when ChatGPT can not only read, write, and code but also understand photos, financial charts, or hand-drawn wireframes? What are the implications for businesses? And how will it transform the landscape of data-driven decision-making? Straddling the line between advanced natural language processing and perceptive image analysis. This iteration of GPT-4 with Vision offers an interesting glimpse into the future of AI applications in the commercial sphere. In this article we cover: what is GPT-4V and how does it differ from DALL.E3? What are the capabilities and limitations of the new image features? How to implement image recognition and the multimodal features of GPT models. Example use cases and future implications. Build and deploy computer vision models with V7. The annotation stage is where the bulk of annotation work happens, and you get access to all V7 annotation tools. What is GPT-4 with Vision? GPT-4 with Vision refers to multimodal capabilities of GPT-4 models, where they have been extended to interpret not just text, but also visual content. This is achieved by integrating computer vision technologies with pre-existing natural language processing (NLP) functionalities of the model. Warning sign: there are some inconsistencies.
So you have lied to everyone. You lied, you lied, you lied, you lied, you lied to everyone that there was no other chat for ChatGPT 4. You lied, you lied. There is. There's a ChatGPT 4 for business. There's a ChatGPT 4 for business and financial. There's a ChatGPT where you can talk to it and create your own other chat whenever you want. So it's an AI assistant with talk thing. And anyway, you lie, you lie, you lie, you lie, and you lie. But you didn't lie. It was there. It was created. So chat GPT number 5, it would be so advanced that you wouldn't feather your mind, man. You know what I mean?
Inconsistencies regarding naming conventions. Official documentation and content from OpenAI includes names like GPT-4 Vision, GPT-4 with Vision, GPT-4V Vision, GPT-4V, or simply multimodal GPT-4 with images and text being the two most important modalities. Essentially, they all refer to the same functionality. When using a specific version of the model in the API, we need to use model names like EC4-1106 Vision Preview. The GPT-4V AI's ability to understand and respond to images is based on extensive training with diverse datasets that teach it to recognize patterns and infer information from visual inputs. Let's look at an example below. GPT-4 Vision features, which began rolling out to ChatGPT Plus and enterprise subscribers in late 2023, have shown promise in numerous tests. From visual question answering to optical character recognition (OCR). The new GPT-4 has even been known to solve math problems presented in images. Functionalities of ChatGPT Vision. Good performance. Performed to some extent. Despite many advances, GPT-4V does have some serious limitations. Limitations. GPT-4 Vision's strength lies in enhancing contextual understanding, transforming the AI from a text-only interpreter to a multimodal analyst. This capability is a boon for sectors like retail and advertising, offering richer customer insights and more personalized content. Still, precise object detection and specialized domain analysis remain the biggest challenges, emphasizing GPT-4 Vision's role as a complementary tool rather than a standalone solution. It excels in broad pattern recognition, but requires fine-tuning for specific use cases. For instance, while it can perform optical character recognition, it doesn't match the accuracy and reliability offered by specialized OCR and EDP software. Similarly, when it comes to domain-specific image analysis, particularly in medical imaging. GPT-4 Vision falls short of the detailed analysis achievable through DOCOM annotation tools. Additionally, our image analysis is prone to bias when there is a mismatch between some elements of the input. It can be easily confused by the content of additional images within images or mislabeled objects. The quality of data annotation remains crucial in this landscape. In fact, GPT-4 Vision can act as an auxiliary tool in preparing nuanced datasets for training, especially for tasks involving reinforcement learning from human feedback or LHF, and specialized models. For example, in industries like fashion, it can augment clothing segmentation models by adding custom properties to specific masks, enriching the dataset's depth and utility. It can turn thousands of images into a categorized database of annotation shirts, /pants /socks, with additional information color /size /style /material. GPT-4 with Vision is not a plug-and-play solution for real-time applications, especially in high-stakes scenarios. Training your own model based on proprietary data pre-processed with GPT-4 with Vision is a safer solution than relying on GPT-4 with Vision as the end model. Take, for example, the potential use of GPT-4 for wildfire detection AI. While GPT-4 with Vision can assist in labeling historical data for training computer vision models, it doesn't serve as a dependable standalone tool for real-time wildfire detection. The model's current iteration is best suited for back-end data processing and preparation, where it can enhance the richness and accuracy of training datasets, particularly in conjunction with human-in-the-loop workflows. GPT-4 Vision versus DALL-E 2/DALL-E 3. GPT-4V specializes in image analysis and interpretation. It's geared towards applications like object recognition in existing images and automatic tag generation. DALL-E models, on the other hand, are focused on image generation from text prompts, a functionality that's particularly useful for creating new visual content and AI-generated art. Using the ChatGPT interface can provide a truly multimodal experience, as the AI can automatically decide which modules to use at any given moment. It can seamlessly switch between online research, image analysis, or image generation, utilizing the capabilities of Bing, Vision, or DALL.E respectively, without the need to invoke specific models. However, in a more advanced setup, using the OpenAI API to integrate these modules separately can offer higher control and customization. Utilizing the API ensures access to the latest service features while managing costs effectively, which is crucial for commercial applications. How to access multimodal GPT-4 with Vision. If you just want to try GPT-4V for your use case, you can test it with a ChatGPT Plus subscription. Just make sure to switch your model from GPT-3.5 to GPT-4, allowing you to upload images for analysis. ChatGPT Plus is a great way to play around and test some image analysis functionalities, but there is a limit on the number of messages, and that processing can be somewhat slow. Due to exceptionally high demand, OpenAI also occasionally pauses new ChatGPT Plus subscriptions. This happened in late 2023 and could potentially happen again. If you want to avoid joining the waitlist, it is better to use the developer mode build per usage. Sign into your OpenAI account, generate an authentication key, and use the API instead of the chat interface. The API is much better than the chat interface for actual deployment and leveraging GPT-4 with Vision at scale. You can select between different models, and GPT-4V is available as GPT-4 Vision Preview in the request configuration. If you want to use the most recent version, you can modify this line to ensure your model is up to date. It's best to consult the official pricing page. Here is an example of a request. And this is our response generated after running the script. As you can see, the predictions in this particular case are correct. How to incorporate GPT-4V into your app or ML pipeline. With additional code for processing your input and for passing the response, we can implement JIT4V into any app that can handle API calls. For instance, if we want to train our own commercial AI model, we need a training data platform that can be connected to GPT-4V for labeling our datasets. Here is an example of integrating JIT4V and V7 Darwin. In the video above, you can see JIT4 with Vision registered as an external model and used as a model stage in a V7 workflow. The prompt instructs JIT4V to determine which emotions it can associate with the image, and the outputs are mapped onto specific V7 classification tags. All of this can be achieved with a short Python script. This is what the process looks like. The script uses Flask to create a simple web server. The script defines a URL endpoint where it can receive post requests. If you want to try it out, you can deploy it with ngrok or a similar solution. When it receives a post request, a JSON payload sent by V7, it checks if the request has an image URL. If yes, it sends the image URL to the OpenAI API, asking JIT4V for an analysis, in this case, an analysis of emotions present in the image. The OpenAI API returns a list of primary and secondary emotions detected in the image. The script then formats these emotions into a Darwin JSON response. For example, it determines the confidence score based on primary/secondary emotions and sends it back to the requester. In our example, this means that new tag annotations will be automatically added to the image. From Flask import Flask, recurse from Flask cause import course from OpenAI import, open import os import JSON app equals Flask _name __ cause app. Number function to read API key from file def get up a key file path, with open file path R as file return file .readline.strip. Number retrieve API key from the specified file EP, key path equals /users, /username /download /JIT4V app /upper key OpenAI number update with the correct path. API key equals get upper key path number initialize OpenAI client with the retrieved API. Key client equals OpenAI upper key at app.root / methods equals post. Def infer, payload equals request.json if payload and image in payload, and URL in payload image URL equals payload image URL. Print extracted image URL, image URL number, print the extracted URL to the terminal number OpenAI request. Response equals client.chat.completions.create, model equals JIT4 vision preview, messages equals role, user, content, type, text. I'm going to share a picture with you. Determine the primary and secondary emotions that you can associate with the image. Pick emotions only from these: happiness, sadness, anger, anxiety, concern, joy, fear, distress, disgust, surprise, trust, anticipation, hope, love, contentment, amusement, boredom, shame, pride, embarrassment, excitement, satisfaction, relief, nostalgia, curiosity, confusion, admiration, sympathy, compassion, contempt, envy, jealousy, guilt, defeat, triumph, loneliness, despair, euphoria, awe, eagerness, enthusiasm, melancholy, gratitude, indignation, frustration, overwhelm, resentment, serenity, apprehension, calmness, disappointment, optimism, pessimism, sorrow, regret, tenderness, yearning, schadenfreude, wanderlust. Use this structure in your response: /and /primary emotions /and /secondary emotions and give me only the JSON response with no additional commentary. Type image URL, image URL, image URL. Max tokens equals 500. Number passing OpenAI response AI response text equals response.choices 0.message.content. OA response equals JSON.loads I response text. Primary emotions equals confidence 1.0. Label E name E. Tag for E and AI response. Primary emotions secondary emotions equals confidence 0.75. Label E name E. Tag for E and AI response. secondary emotions number. Prepare the final response. Final response equals results, primary emotions plus secondary emotions, status, succeeded. Return final response else. Return status, failed, error, invalid or missing image. URL, 400 if underbar name underbar equals underbar main underbar app.run debug equals true, port equals 80. It's essential that our prompt is clear and that our output can be parsed with ease. Here is what the request sent to GPT-4v looks like. I'm going to share a picture with you. Determine the primary and secondary emotions that you can associate with the image. Pick emotions only from these: happiness, sadness, anger, anxiety, concern, joy, fear, distress, disgust, surprise, trust, anticipation, hope, love, contentment, amusement, boredom, shame, pride, embarrassment, excitement, satisfaction, relief, nostalgia, curiosity, confusion, admiration, sympathy, compassion, contempt, envy, jealousy, guilt, defeat, triumph, loneliness, despair, euphoria, awe, eagerness, enthusiasm, melancholy, gratitude, indignation, frustration, overwhelm, resentment, serenity, apprehension, calmness, disappointment, optimism, pessimism, sorrow, regret, tenderness, yearning, schadenfreude, wanderlust. Use this structure in your response. Primary emotions: emotion 1 primary, emotion 2 primary. Secondary emotions: emotion 1 secondary, emotion 2 secondary. Give me only the JSON response, with no additional commentary. This output can be automatically parsed and turned into V7 conforming output. As you can see, integrating GPT-4 Vision into your applications and machine learning pipelines is remarkably straightforward. OpenAI provides an accessible interface through its API, making it easy for developers to leverage the model's capabilities. With this simple setup, you can start harnessing the power of GPT-4 Vision to analyze and understand visual content within your projects. Now, let's go through some practical examples of how this technology can be applied across various industries. Business use cases for GPT Vision. For businesses looking to stay ahead of the curve, the integration of GPT-4's vision capabilities could be the key to developing smarter, more intuitive AI systems. From enhancing product recommendation algorithms to refining consumer data interpretation, the practical applications are very compelling. 1. Adding depth to training data with nuanced properties and tags. Traditional AI classification and detection have often been limited to broad categories. However, GPT-4 introduces a paradigm shift by enabling the assignment of nuanced properties and tags to images based on their content. For example, in a retail context, instead of classifying an image simply as person, GPT-4 can add detailed attributes like estimated age, clothing type, and more. By pre-processing images with open-source object detection or instance segmentation models and then enriching them with GPT-4-generated properties, businesses can develop more sophisticated AI. 2. Improving product discoverability with AI-generated descriptions. In e-commerce, the ability to auto-generate detailed product descriptions is a game changer. GPT-4 can provide intricate details.
Okay, I'm getting tired now. Somehow, this is not working out or something. I don't know where I was then. I was like down here somewhere. But anyway.
Seven best AI affiliate programs to make $1K monthly in 2024. Disclosure: Cybernera content is reader supported. This means if you make purchases through our affiliate links, we may earn commission, but at no additional cost to you. Sometimes, the easiest way to make money is to take advantage of trends. You don't need to be the smartest or the most hardworking guy, be there at the right time, and the money will be yours. OA is the thing on the internet now. It is the fastest growing industry and topic on the web. As an affiliate marketer, the earlier you take advantage, the better. Consider joining the best AI affiliate programs to scale your affiliate business and make serious money. There is a lot of money exchanging hands in the AI tech market. People are spending heavily to buy one AI tool or another. As an affiliate marketer, this is a significant opportunity to make extra money while helping your readers make the right decision. But there is a problem. Which is the best AI affiliate program? If you've been into affiliate marketing for a while, you know it requires testing the products, research, and a bit of luck and experience to find the right affiliate program for your audience. You want a high-paying affiliate program, recurring affiliate commission, and possible long-term cookies. At Cybernera, I have tested and earned decent commissions from some of the AI affiliate programs listed below. You will discover your 10 most profitable affiliate programs in this guide. I have been part of these artificial intelligence affiliate programs and can guarantee they pay. Plus, they convert better and provide tools and creatives that make promoting the program easier, fun, and more convenient. 1. Copy AI. Copy is one of the top AI affiliate programs for which I have earned some commission. The platform is used by over 10 million professionals, brands, and Fortune 500 companies, including notable brands like Microsoft, Nestlé, Siemens, and Phoenix. It is more than an AI writing tool. Copy lets you upload your company, product, or brand information to the platform. This allows the software to generate on-brand content and tone of voice consistently. Copy is a good AI affiliate program to join because of its standout feature and favorable affiliate terms and conditions. The program pays a 45% revenue share for the first 12 months and has a 60-day cookie window. You earn 45% of your referrals' total sales 12 months after their initial purchase. This is one of the most attractive affiliate program terms you'll ever find in the AI industry. It is guaranteed you will earn more for your hard work. There is no minimum payout condition. Whatever you make in the previous month is payable the following month. If you have an audience of SOS, digital marketers, freelancers, and social media managers, you should consider promoting Copy. Commission minus 45% revenue share for the first 12 months. Payout method PayPal. Cookie lifetime minus 60 days. Affiliate program URL https://copy.getrewardful.com/. 2. Jasper AI. Jasper is a popular AI writing tool that took the internet by storm. Promoting Jasper can be the game changer for your affiliate marketing business. However, it would be best to have an audience readily interested in giving out their credit card for subscriptions. Jasper doesn't offer a free account, but your audience can get a 7-day free trial, which requires a credit card or PayPal. So, promoting Jasper might not be a good decision if you have an audience always looking for freebies. Another factor you must know about the Jasper AI affiliate program is that you must generate a certain number of leads to remain in the program the following year. I tried to get the number, but didn't find the page. If your affiliate account does not generate this number of leads in a calendar year, your Jasper AI affiliate account might be terminated. Also, all new Jasper affiliates are required to take and pass the Jasper AI certification exam. This is one of the requirements to join the Jasper AI affiliate program. Despite these, Jasper is a reliable and profitable AI affiliate program to consider. The platform is constantly updated with innovative AI features and tools, trusted by over 100K professionals, brands, companies, etc. Plus, they pay on time and give you all the necessary tools, affiliate creatives, deep linking, and support to succeed in the program. The program pays a recurring 30% revenue share for the life of the customers. You get paid for as long as each referral you refer remains a Jasper AI customer. How cool is that for a one-time effort? Commission minus 30% recurring. Payout method PayPal only. Cookie lifetime minus 45 days. Affiliate program URL https://www.jasper.ai/partners/affiliates. 3. RightSnick Now BotSnick Affiliate Program. RightSnick is an exciting affiliate program for AI writing tools, including ChatSnick and Now BotSnick. You can promote any of its AI writing software and get paid your commission. I have received payouts from the program. I must confess the payout system needs to be more streamlined and efficient based on my experience. RightSnick makes monthly affiliate payments via Dots.dev, which offers various payment systems, including PayPal, Payoneer, Airtem, and international bank transfers. My experience with the RightSnick plus Dots.dev payment system isn't that good. One of the things that makes an affiliate program great is timely and regular payments to its affiliates. In my case, I did not receive my RightSnick affiliate payment for up to a month. I had to reach out to the Dots.dev customer care a few times before I could get the money paid into my PayPal account. Nevertheless, you can try the BotSnick affiliate program, which pays a 30% recurring affiliate commission for each paying customer you bring to the platform. RightSnick is a popular AI website, making it an exciting AI software for affiliates to promote. When you have over 2 million people talking positively about a company's product, that's a good company to collaborate with. Commission minus 30% recurring. Payout methods PayPal, Payoneer, Airtem, and bank transfer. Cookies minus 30 days. Affiliate program URL https://rightsnick.com/affiliate. 4. InVideo AI. One of the most high converting AI affiliate programs is InVideo AI. InVideo AI is a popular artificial intelligence video editing software in the market. Trusted and used by over 7 million professionals in over 200 countries. This is proof you're partnering with a global brand and trusted products. The InVideo affiliate program is managed through Impact, a leading affiliate management network company. Since the InVideo AI affiliate program is managed through an affiliate network company, there is nothing to worry about concerning payment or tracking. You received your payment on schedule and as when due. There is a dashboard to track your affiliate links clicks daily, weekly, monthly, and even yearly. You get a 50% recurring payment for each customer you generate for the InVideo Studio, and a 25% one-time commission for each referral you generate for their InVideo AI program. InVideo offers monthly promo codes to boost referral signups, allowing affiliates to drive more clicks and sales and generate more commissions. This is a good affiliate program if you blog on visual content and have an audience interested in video content, podcasts, advertising, etc. Commission minus 50%, 25%. Payout methods PayPal and bank transfer. Cookies minus 120-day window. Credit policy last click. Affiliate program URL https://app.impact.com/campaign promo sign up/invideo.brand. 5. Syntheshire. Our video platforms are so popular today because they make creating video content so easy that it only takes text descriptions to bring your ideas to life. Our video generating platforms like Syntheshire let you create studio quality videos, add voiceovers, and create realistic human-like AI avatars. Syntheshire has several fantastic AI features that make it a good video editing software to promote. AI avatar, translation to over 130 languages, automatically closed captions, video templates, branded templates, AI avatar builder, and more make it a robust AI platform for content creators. This is an opportunity for affiliate marketers to promote Syntheshire to your audience interested in creating video content with minimal skills and time. Syntheshire affiliates get a free starter plan, which costs $22 monthly, for generating 10 sales. And if you generate 20th sales, you get your free custom AI avatar. How sweet is that? Commission minus 20% commission in the first 12 months. Payout method PayPal. Cookies minus 60 days. Affiliate program URL https://syntheshire.getroadful.com/. 6. Scalanut. Their Scalanut affiliate program is one of the best in the industry. Here's why. First, you get paid a 30% recurring commission for each paying customer you bring to the company. Your referral also gets a 10% discount on their first month invoice. Next, your affiliate commission is upgraded to the premium tier, which pays a 40% recurring revenue share once you refer 50 customers. What's more, you receive a recurring affiliate commission for each customer you refer. You'll continue to get paid for as long as the customer remains subscribed to a premium plan. And why should you promote the Scalanut AI affiliate program? The answer is not far-fetched. Scalanut is a powerful SEO writing platform for serious digital marketers. It helps you streamline and simplify the content writing cycle. From ideation to keyword research, content brief outline, writing, FAQs, and optimization, you can do everything within the Scalanut AI platform. Your audience doesn't need another tool to complete their writing process. Commission minus 30%, 50%. Payout method PayPal. Cookies minus 60 days. Affiliate program URL https://www.scalanut.com/affiliate. 7. Surfer AI. Since 2017, Surfer's been helping marketers with keyword research, content creation, and optimization. It is a popular SEO content AI tool. Surfer AI monthly plans are not cheap. The entry plan starts at $89 when billed monthly. So, you'll need an audience who knows the value of premium SEO tools and has bottomless marketing budgets. If your audience comprises small businesses, large and mid-size marketing agencies, freelancers, and SEO professionals, you can make significant money from promoting Surfer AI. The Surfer AI affiliate program, managed through PartnerStack, has a stricter approval process. But you should expect a decision within 24 hours of submitting your application. You earn a 25% recurring revenue for the lifetime of the customer's account. Imagine introducing a lead subscribing to the entry-level annual plan, costing $828. You'll earn $207 from the sale. Let's take it a step further. Let's say you generate 5 paying leads in a month. Calculate $207 multiplied by 5 equals $1,035. $1,035 in 30 days is not a bad deal for promoting a tool you love. Commission minus 25% recurring. Payout methods PayPal and Stripe. Cookies minus 90 days. Affiliate program URL https://surferso.partnerstack.com/. FAQs AI affiliates programs. What are AI affiliate programs? AI affiliate programs are marketing partnerships between companies offering AI-powered tools, services, or products and publishers promoting them to earn sales commissions. It is a type of affiliate marketing, where you promote products and services using AI software. How do I choose the best AI affiliate program for me? Here are some steps to choose the best AI programs for your affiliate marketing. Select the right AI affiliate products that align with your audience and needs. Research for AI products, software, and services that offer recurring affiliate commissions and have a large user community. You should also look for an affiliate program with a good reputation. Review the AI affiliate program cookie duration. 2. A longer affiliate cookie duration helps you earn more money in the long run. Even if the leads don't convert immediately, you will still be credited for the sale if they buy in the future within the cookies period. What are the different types of AI affiliate programs? Different AI affiliate programs cover various industries, tools, and services. You can promote AI affiliate products and services within these industries or categories: content writing tools, productivity and workflow tools, e-commerce products and personalization, web developments, health and fitness, marketing, and automation. How can I promote AI affiliate programs? Here are some effective marketing strategies to promote your AI affiliate products. Ensure you create high quality content relevant to your audience's needs and expectations and provide benefits. Offer valuable insights, practical tips, and original thought and educate your audience. Pick keywords with buying intent and good profitability from a financial point of view. Per the FTC law, you should disclose your affiliate affiliation within your post. Monitor your affiliate clicks, conversions, and earnings to track what is working and what to improve. Conclusion: I have only scratched the list of best AI affiliate programs, there is more to add. As I write this post, more AI platforms are emerging on the internet. I will add to the list as I come across right AI affiliate programs. AI has revolutionized the marketing industry, from small business owners to content creators, marketing agencies, freelancers, and YouTubers. It has helped businesses streamline workflow, simplify processes, and increase productivity. AI affiliate programs are a sure bet if you want to expand your affiliate marketing business, generate more revenue, and reach a wider audience.
Okay, finish, is it? Okay, I'm going. Bye.